In the home page, select Video. You can select any video style. For this example, I'm just going to select landscape video. At the bottom, you have the option to add audio. So if you're a Pro Plan user, you can use some of these soundtracks here. You can also record a voiceover or generate an AI voice. So let's go ahead and first record a voiceover. When you're ready to record, just hit the record button. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. When you're finished, just hit the finish button. And now an audio recording has appeared at the bottom. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.